Flight 4 concluded with remarkable progress, paving the way for the exciting possibilities of Flight 5. This upcoming mission is expected to usher in significant changes in 2024. Questions about its launch date and SpaceX's strategies for success have been eagerly anticipated. Elon Musk recently revealed key insights on this matter. So, in today's episode of Great SpaceX, join us as we delve into his revelations and embark on the road to Flight 5. Half a year has passed, witnessing two thrilling Starship flights. The second half of 2024 holds the promise of further excitement, starting with the much-anticipated Flight 5. Before Flight 4, the FAA issued updates hinting at a quicker succession of flights, prompting the burning question: when will Flight 5 take off? Originally, a mid-August launch was predicted. However, a recent revelation from Elon Musk during a gaming stream has exceeded all expectations. In his own words, next launch, hopefully, next launch, Starship LA launch is probably in about a month. SpaceX aims to conduct Flight 5 in July, most likely in the middle to late part of the month. Although an exact date has not been specified, exciting times lie ahead. The acceleration of Starship's launch frequency is evident, marking a remarkable pace of progress. From a 7-month gap between Flight 1 and Flight 2, the turnaround time reduced to just 4 months between Flight 2 and Flight 3. After Flight 3, the wait was less than 3 months for Flight 4, and now SpaceX aims to further shorten it to approximately a month. This rapid development contrasts sharply with historical timelines, such as Falcon 9's early years, which took nearly 3 years to complete its first 5 flights. Comparing SpaceX's competitors like the SLS or Vulcan, their development timelines span decades before their first flight. As we anticipate Flight 5's scheduled launch in July, assuming all FAA updates come through as planned, the question arises: can SpaceX prepare everything in time? In my view, this is entirely feasible. The 2 prototypes designated for Flight 5, the S-30 and B-12, are progressing well. S-30 has completed most major tests, currently undergoing repairs in the high bay. It requires only 1 wet dress rehearsal test to finalize preparations. As for B-12, it has completed 2 cryogenic tests and requires 1 more static fire test and a wet dress rehearsal with S-30 for readiness. SpaceX is anticipated to expedite the process post-assessments and repairs on the launch pad following Flight 4. Elon Musk's revelation suggests potential replacement of all current heat shields on the S-30 with new ones twice as strong. These upgraded shields are expected to enhance re-entry performance, minimizing cracking or melting and providing superior vehicle protection. To achieve this, SpaceX may explore various approaches, such as increasing shield thickness or changing composition to a superior material. Reinforcing the attachment pin system is crucial to secure the connection between the shield and the ship, preventing detachment issues observed in prior flights. ChatGPT. Not only is SpaceX focusing on increasing the heat shield's durability, but they are also reinforcing the ablative protection layer underneath. This secondary layer, expected to possess similar or slightly lower heat resistance than the tiles, will act as an additional safeguard for the ship in case of issues like loosening or cracking. This enhancement significantly enhances the ship's chances of success in the next flight. Regarding the booster, I anticipate a new hot staging design to be implemented. This design, lighter, simpler, and more efficient than the current one, is poised to make its debut soon in the testing process with B-12. Alongside hot staging, SpaceX is undergoing significant enhancements to its engine systems to ensure stable operation during flight. This becomes particularly crucial as B-12 is slated to be the first prototype to return to Starbase and land with tower arms. Turning back to the launch schedule, given Musk's revelation regarding Flight 5, I am incredibly confident in the prospect of Flight 6 launching this year. This flight will mark numerous milestones for SpaceX, notably the historic achievement of landing 2 stages with the Mechazilla arm. This achievement signifies the realization of SpaceX's long-standing goal: fully and rapidly reusable rockets, unmatched by any other organization. Success in this endeavor lays the foundation for pursuing various objectives in the coming year, including establishing refueling capabilities and conducting unmanned HLS demos. However, to achieve these ambitions, SpaceX must first successfully complete Flight 5. As mentioned earlier, Flight 5 will involve executing intricate maneuvers, such as landing the booster with the Mechazilla arm and splashing down the ship. Only after accomplishing these milestones in Flight 5 can SpaceX set its sights on even more ambitious goals in Flight 6. In addition to ensuring thorough preparation of the prototypes for Flight 6, SpaceX faces the crucial task of constructing a new launch tower. The delivery of the tower is nearing completion, and SpaceX may initiate the stack process as early as next month. Drawing from their experience in building previous towers, SpaceX aims to have 2 launch towers operational for Flight 6. With these preparations underway, SpaceX is poised to embark on what could potentially be the most pivotal landing mission in its history. The success of Flight 6 will not only showcase the company's technical expertise but also bring it closer to achieving its ambitious goals of fully reusable rockets and advancing space exploration. Alongside the high expectations surrounding Flight 6 this year, 2024 holds several other significant changes in store for SpaceX. Chief among these is the completion of Star Factory, the pioneering mass rocket chain. Following an extensive construction period, once operational, it will revolutionize traditional concepts of rocket production. Jesse Anderson, SpaceX's Falcon Structures Manufacturing Engineering Manager, recently announced exciting developments. He stated that the latest phase of the factory, currently under construction, will come online this summer, providing us with several 100,000 more square feet of space. The completion of Star Factory marks a milestone not only for SpaceX but also for the aerospace industry as a whole, promising advancements in efficiency and scalability that will shape the future of space exploration. Further emphasizing the significance of Star Factory's completion, Kate Tai, manager of Space Quality Systems Engineering, stated that this will enable them to significantly increase their production rate as they build toward their long-term goal of producing 1 ship per day. With Starship version 2 soon rolling off the production line, it represents another exciting development for SpaceX this year. Elon Musk revealed earlier this year that the company plans to produce up to 6 V2 prototypes. This new iteration will introduce several updates, including increased size and payload capacity, utilization of new engines, changes to hot staging procedures, and most recently, enhancements to the flap system. The production of these 6 prototypes serves as just the beginning for SpaceX's ambitious goal of achieving 1 ship per day. While this might sound like an audacious endeavor, it's essential for the overarching goal of colonizing Mars. Musk emphasized in the stream that the first Starship will reach Mars in approximately 3 years, by 2027. This milestone gains even more significance considering that colonizing Mars will necessitate thousands of starships, as we can only reach the planet every 26 months. As we wrap up today's episode, let's take a moment to summarize the exciting journey we've embarked on with SpaceX. From the remarkable progress of Flight 4 to the anticipation surrounding Flight 5, SpaceX continues to push the boundaries of space exploration. With each successful mission, SpaceX inches closer to its ambitious goals of fully reusable rockets and advancing space exploration. Looking ahead to 2024, we anticipate significant changes, including the completion of Star Factory, promising advancements in rocket production. Additionally, the introduction of Starship version 2 and the ambitious goal of producing 1 ship per day signifies SpaceX's relentless pursuit of innovation and progress. Elon Musk's vision of colonizing Mars by 2027 underscores the importance of SpaceX's endeavors, highlighting the significance of their rapid development trajectory. As we brace ourselves for the rapid acceleration of progress in the coming years, let's remain inspired by SpaceX's unwavering commitment to reaching new heights in space exploration. It's becoming increasingly clear that Starship's development trajectory post-Flight 4 is firmly established, and SpaceX remains steadfastly on the right path. As we enter 2024, expect everything to accelerate significantly. So get ready to embrace the rapid pace of progress and ensure you're not left behind in this thrilling journey towards the stars. Well, folks, that's about it for today's episode. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey. Stay tuned for more awe-inspiring space adventures. This is TMV, reminding you to always keep your eyes on the stars. Until next time.